Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in Fort Myers, Florida. I'm glad you're here. I've been away for a while, away from painting. I've been quite a bit under the weather, and I've also been spending a lot of time posting content to my Patreon page. I've got a group of wonderful people that are just a joy to hang out with, be around, and to share with. So I've been doing a good amount with that, and I've been fiddling, fine-tuning some things. I love coming into my studio and staring at artwork that I've done, and then kicking it up a notch, enhancing it and embellishing it. And it's just, just gets the creative juices flowing. But I came in here to do a swipe. I came in here to do a Courtney Hauscher swipe. If you all have been following me for 4 years, you know that one of my favorite artists out there is Courtney Hauscher. She no longer does fluid art. She does abstract art, so she doesn't post much on her channel. But her channel is still out there, and it's got a lot of really good content. I'll post a link in the description box. But one of my favorite swipes I ever did was what I called my Courtney swipe, and I'm using some colors that were inspired by her. Courtney's pouring medium is usually 50% GAC 800 and 50% Floetrol. That was a bit too thin for me because GAC is much thinner than Floetrol. So I'm about 75% Floetrol, 25% GAC 800. So that's what our pouring medium is. Let's go ahead and talk about our colors. First of all, we're working on an edge canvas, an 18 by 18, and I've got a beautiful floating frame in black and silver to put this in. Our base coat color, it's beyond yummy. Let's also take a look at that consistency. It just leaves a little bit of a trace before the paint disappears into the paint below. But that is Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Silver. We also have it right here to go into our swipe line. We also have my favorite paint, Golden Fluids, the Q word in the nickel Azo Gold. Now, I'm not good at saying this, so I'm not going to say all of it. Golden Fluids in the iron oxide with the M word. Those Q words and M words get me every single time. This right here is Golden Fluids in the Corbon Black. Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Gold Fine. And Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Pearl, the first golden fluid paint I ever bought and is still very dear to my heart. Now, Courtney usually swiped with a large paper towel, and I am going to do the same. I've got a stack here of Bounty paper towels where I squeezed my water bottom on the bottom couple of inches of it, flipped it over, squeezed the other side, and these are the paper towels we're going to be using. And what else? That's it. Courtney Hauscher, check her out. She's talented, good people, and she really inspired me at the beginning of my pouring journey. So we're going to be doing some swiping, guys. Also, one of my classes coming up, not too many weeks away, in March at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas, back to where it all started, and I can't wait to get my hands on you. Swiping 101, guys. We just might use these colors in one of those classes. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the 66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.